If you've been dreaming about a real outdoor kitchen, not just a grill on a cart, but a full setup with countertops, a fridge, a sink, and serious cooking power, this video is exactly what you need. Breaking down the 5 best modular outdoor kitchen islands on Amazon right now, so you don't have to spend hours doing the research yourself. Links to all of them are in the description. Alright, let's get into it. Starting at number 1, the Mont Alpi 805 Deluxe Series Model MAA 805 DFC. 94-inch full modular island, and one of the most complete setups in this category. You get a 44-inch 6-burner gas grill in the center at 115,000 BTU total. Infrared side burner for searing, infrared rear burner for rotisserie. And the rotisserie kit is included. White granite countertops on both sides, a built-in refrigerator cabinet, and soft close drawers underneath. The back is fully covered and vented, so it looks like a proper built-in kitchen. 304 austenitic stainless steel throughout. That grade matters. Cheaper islands use 430 grade steel, which looks the same out of the box but corrodes faster. LED knobs, internal cooking lights, granite chopping board, and a full weather cover all come standard. The Amazon link is in the description. Arrives almost fully assembled. Just connect the modular sections. Caster wheels included. And Mont Alpi backs this with a limited lifetime warranty, which is genuinely rare and says everything about how they stand behind the build. Pros: 115,000 BTU serious cooking power. Premium 304 stainless, resists rust long term. Infrared rear burner plus rotisserie kit included. Limited lifetime warranty. Cons: no roof or weather shelter included. White granite can stain over time. Alright, moving on to number 2. And honestly, this one surprised me. VESTIVIUM is newer than Mont Alpi, but they showed up with this 102-inch 8-burner system, and it's seriously hard to overlook. First thing you notice, everything is black. Black 304 stainless steel body, black galaxy granite countertops with natural gold flecks. It just looks sharp. If Mont Alpi is classic brushed steel and white granite, VESTIVIUM is the bold modern aesthetic. Different energy and both are great. 8 burners, 117,000 BTU total. That is the highest raw cooking power on this entire list. If you're cooking for large groups regularly, parties, big family gatherings, this handles volume without any stress. Multi-zone cooking with a side burner and infrared rear burner included. It's a 3-piece modular system. Grill cabinet, sink station, fridge module. What I really like is that the modules don't have to go in a straight line. You arrange them in whatever layout suits your space. There's also a hidden foldable side table that tucks neatly under the sink cabinet when not needed, then pulls out for prep room. Soft close hinges on every door and drawer, LED lit knobs, built-in thermometer and double-layer glass hood door to monitor food without losing heat. 1 hour setup, no construction, no tools beyond basic. Every module rolls on heavy-duty lockable swivel casters. The whole thing is movable. And an 18-piece BBQ toolset comes in the box so you can fire it up the same day it arrives. The system is also designed to expand, add pizza oven cabinets, extra storage modules, or additional grill islands later. Pros: 117,000 BTU highest output on this list. Bold all-black aesthetic, black galaxy granite. Expandable modular ecosystem over time. 1 hour, no construction setup, fully mobile. Cons: newer brand, less established track record. 102, footprint needs generous patio space. Now let's see how this compares, because this one is genuinely in its own category. Backyard Discovery Fusion Flame 2, the only covered outdoor kitchen on this list, and the only one with a pizza oven. The full coverage galvanized steel roof is tested to hold 2,600 pounds, roughly 30 inches of snow load, and withstand winds up to 100 mph. This is built to stay outside permanently through every season. No covering up when it rains, no hauling anything to the garage. Leave it out year-round. Grill is a 38-inch 5-burner 304 stainless setup, 72,000 BTU, 846 total square inches of cooking area, sear zone, warming rack, flame tamers, infrared rotisserie. Then right next to it, a 32-inch 304 stainless pizza oven with a real fire brick interior that reaches 800 degrees Fahrenheit and fits 2 12-inch pizzas simultaneously. So yeah, ribs on the grill, 2 pizzas in the oven at the same time. That's a party setup. The power port is something I haven't seen anywhere else at this price. 3 electrical outlets and 3 USB ports mounted directly to the structure. Run a blender, plug in speakers, charge phones, right at the island. Very smart for entertaining. Outdoor rated refrigerator holds up to 180 cans. Handles temperatures over 100 degrees of. Hidden 7-gallon soft close trash bin. over 6 feet of food-grade stainless countertops, 13.3 square feet of prep space, built-in stainless sink with a removable countertop cover for extra workspace. Pros: full steel roof, true all-season outdoor use. 32-inch pizza oven, reaches 800 degree F. Built-in power port outlets and USB ports. 5-year comprehensive warranty. Cons: semi-permanent setup, less repositionable. Multi-piece assembly takes more time. Alright, number 4. Alimtois with their 96-inch flagship. 6 burners, 8,000 BTU, 684 square inches of grilling surface, and the headline feature that sets this one apart from everything else: a built-in glass door wine cooler refrigerator. Most outdoor kitchen islands give you a basic compact fridge or beverage center. Alimtois went with a proper lockable glass door wine cooler, adjustable shelves, temperature control, blue interior LED lighting. If you entertain regularly and want wine kept at the right temperature outside, that's a genuinely useful feature, not just aesthetic. The sink is 304 marine grade stainless with a 360-degree rotating faucet, and marine grade is the keyword. It's the corrosion standard used for boat fittings, specifically built to resist salt air and constant moisture exposure. If you live near the coast or somewhere that stays humid, that spec is a real-world advantage. Cooking setup: 6 tubular stainless burners, rear ceramic infrared burner, dedicated side burner, 80mm stainless cooking grids, dual halogen cooking lights, electronic ignition, temperature gauge, pull-out grease tray. This is built for hard use, arrives 90% pre-assembled via truck with a hydraulic liftgate. And despite the 96-inch total width, the individual sections are sized to pass through a standard 30-inch gate. Getting it into a fenced backyard is actually doable. Black Galaxy granite countertops, storage throughout, rotisserie kit and weatherproof cover included. Pros: glass door wine cooler unique on this list. Marine grade 304, steel handles coastal weather. Sections fit through a standard 36 gate. 85,000 BTU for big cooking sessions. Cons: wine cooler is niche, not everyone needs it. Newer brand still building its reputation. Rounding out the list, Alimtois 84-inch 4-burner. Second Alimtois, yes, but it earns its place as the best mid-size option here. Same marine grade 304 stainless steel construction as the 96-inch above. Same build standard. Scaled down in footprint and scaled down in price. 84 inches wide. 4 main burners plus a rear ceramic infrared burner. 72,000 BTU total. Cooking area comes in at 990 square inches total, which is actually larger than the 96-inch model's 684 square inches because of how the cooking surface is laid out. Includes the 360-degree rotating sink faucet, 19 by 28-inch storage compartment with organized drawers and cabinets, Black Galaxy granite countertops, and a full rotisserie kit rated up to 25 pounds. ETL safety certified. 3 major modules arrive pre-assembled. Connect them with basic tools. Truck delivery with hydraulic liftgate included here too. The dual halogen cooking lights in the grill hood are worth mentioning. When you're grilling after dark, you can actually see what you're cooking. LED color changing control knob lights, built-in temperature gauge, electronic ignition, pull-out grease tray, everything you need for regular outdoor cooking is here. Pros: 990 SQ inches total cooking area, impressive spec. Same marine grade 304 build, lower price. 3 pre-assembled modules, quick setup. Rotisserie, sink, and halogen lights included. Cons: 2-year warranty, shorter than competitors. No built-in refrigerator in this config. Alright, wrapping this up with the straight version of who should buy what. Best overall: Mont Alpi 805 Deluxe. 115,000 BTU, 6 burners plus dual infrared, built-in refrigerator, granite countertops, and a lifetime warranty. Most complete package from the most established brand. If you want one setup that does everything, this is it. Best for power and style: VESTIVIUM 102-inch Black Edition. 117,000 BTU, striking all black aesthetic, expandable ecosystem, built for people who cook big and want the setup to look the part doing it. Best for all weather use: backyard discovery, Fusion Flame 2. Full steel roof, 800-degree pizza oven, built-in power outlets, and the strongest 5-year warranty on the list. Nothing else stays outside year-round like this one does. Best for entertainers: Alimtois 96-inch. Glass door wine cooler plus marine grade durability makes it the go-to if hosting is your thing. Best value mid-size pick: Alimtois 84-inch. Same quality DNA, 990 square inches of cook space, right size for real patios at a friendlier price. Hopefully this helped you figure out which one fits your backyard and your budget. Drop a like if it did, it helps the channel. And subscribe so you don't miss the next comparison. Thanks for watching.